Ever hit send on an international money transfer only to be met with a frustrating failed notification? It's a stomach-dropping moment, especially when you need that money to arrive urgently. You've used Paysend, a platform known for its ease and speed, but for some reason, this one transfer just didn't go through. What do you do? The first and most important thing is to not panic. A failed transfer isn't the end of the world, and in most cases, your money is safe. The good news is that Paysend has a robust system in place to handle these situations. So, let's break down the next steps. First, check your Paysend app or website for a more detailed status. Sometimes, the failure is temporary, and a simple reattempt can solve the problem. If it's a declined by bank message, it could be something on the recipient's end, like an incorrect account number or a bank-specific issue. Double-check all the details you entered. A small typo in the account number or the recipient's name is a very common reason for a transfer to fail. If you find a mistake, you can usually cancel the failed transfer and initiate a new one with the correct information. What if the money has already been deducted from your account? This is where a lot of people start to worry. The good news is that if a transfer fails, Paysend's system is designed to automatically refund the money back to your original payment method. This process usually happens within a few business days, so keep an eye on your bank statement. The exact timing can vary depending on your bank's processing times, but you can always check this transfer history section in your Paysend account for the refund status. If a few business days pass and you still haven't received your refund, it's time to reach out to Paysend's customer support. They have multiple channels for this, including a live chat on their website, email support, and in some regions, a dedicated phone line. When you contact them, be ready with your transfer ID. This is a unique number assigned to every transaction, and it helps their team quickly locate and investigate your case. In most scenarios, a failed transfer is either due to incorrect information or a temporary bank issue, and the problem is resolved automatically or with a quick fix. But knowing these steps can save you a lot of anxiety and get your money where it needs to go. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.